Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been too long that I posted any video on my YouTube channel. Managing articleship with studies, it's not an easy task. So I barely get any time to make the video and post it on the channel. But today I am taking out time for all those students who have recently cleared their CA foundation and seeking CA intermediate guidance. So yes, this video is for all those students and let's move into the video without wasting any further time. Watch the video till the end and note down all the points that you find important. So yes, CA intermediate, it's not easy. First of all, congratulations to all those students who have cleared their CA foundation and entering into CA intermediate. It's a big achievement. And yes, CA intermediate requires proper planning. It's not easy to clear, but it's not even impossible. If we plan everything in the initial stage, it will be easier for you to clear CA intermediate in first attempt. So yes, the first question comes in mind, should I take online classes or face-to-face classes? Dekho, if you are a student who is ready to study alone in a room, who is comfortable studying alone, focusing on the lectures, making notes alone without having face-to-face interactions with your friends or your other children who are studying along with you, then you should go for online classes. And online classes has many benefits, like you are focused towards your studies, you do not have any distractions, and you also save your time, you save your cost. Both are there, okay? But in face to face, you get face to face interaction with the teacher, you ask doubt in the live batch itself, you do not have to wait for that, and you have interactions with other students also. It makes the life living, like it's not boring. In online you might feel bored. I will give solution for that also. Like in face to face, you spend your time, travel time is there, cost is there, and also there is a lot of distractions when you meet other students, you make friends, you go out, you sometimes bunk your classes. So there are a lot of cons in face to face classes. अगर आपको online classes बोर लगती हैं, study and take out one day in a week, Sunday, to spend with your friends and family. This will keep your life going, and also no distractions of with going out with friends on daily basis. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में टाइम भी बचेगा, कॉस्ट भी बचेगा, एंड फोकस भी बना रहेगा. सॉरी फॉर द बैकग्राउंड डिस्टर्बेंस, बट आई प्रेफर टू से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस बिकॉज उसमें आप एक लाइक यू हैव a goal, like I have to complete this class within these days. And online maybe you have two options. First is your Google Drive and another one is live classes. And to stay determined, to stay focused, you should go for online classes. Like you have a proper timetable, you have to join that class on that time, and many teachers provide recorded classes also. If you miss any online class, you can also watch the recorded lectures, but in recorded one you watch at your own pace. Like you can also watch two lectures in one day. But many students find it difficult to maintain a proper timetable, like one day they study, another day they skip, then study, skip. So this is disturbing. That's why online classes, live classes is preferable. So this is all about classes. Now let's come to the teachers. We have 6 subjects now, 3 in group 1 and 3 in group 2. Like if you go for both the groups together, like first is advanced accounting. Advanced accounting, I would suggest Tejas Suchak sir. I studied from him and I found really helpful. Like first I went for face to face, but then at the end, near my exams, I preferred his videos only on YouTube, and they were really helpful for me. So that's why Tejas Suchak sir is good for CA advanced accounting, CA inter advanced accounting. After that comes corporate law. Corporate law के लिए you can go for Deepika Rathi ma'am. Deepika Rathi ma'am is very good. Like she explains everything very smoothly, and then also repeats again and again for revision. So she is very good for. I couldn't find her lectures in CA final, but for inter she is really good. You can go for her. And also Shubham Singhal sir is there for CA inter law. 200 summary book is there, and that is enough. Like if you read all the provisions, it's it's very good for 1.5D preparation. So you can choose between both of them. You can watch the lectures on YouTube, and then you can decide which you have to purchase and go further with. After that comes taxation. Many students are afraid of this subject. This is a very big subject of CA Inter because it includes two, IDT and DT. So in that you can go for. I went for V Smart Academy, Vishal Bhattar sir, but I literally couldn't manage lectures with him because his book is too good. Like all the notes are very beautifully written, all the questions are good. And for DT BB sir, Bhava Burana sir, and Nishant sir is also good because his all the tables, all the notes are good. So these three teachers, like for IDT, Vishal Bhattar sir, and DT BB sir, Bhavan Burana sir. For both IDT and DT, Nishant sir is also there. So these three you can look the videos on YouTube and then decide what to choose and what not to. Now group 2 classes. Group 2. The first subjects now like we have audit, we have FMSM, we have costing, right? Costing के लिए Vinod Reddy sir is the best. His NNC concept, NNC means no notebook concept, and like there are three books. In that books you have chapter and there are blank pages. Under the questions you write there itself notes, all the answers. You do not have to maintain separate register. You have three books, उसी में आप अपना लिखोगे, उसमें जो सर कराएंगे सब कुछ उसी के अंदर होता है. And that's really good. 1100 के अराउंड वो सेट मिला था मुझे, and I literally like मेरा एक अटेम्प्ट में नहीं क्लियर हुआ. मेरे कॉस्टिंग में 19 मार्क्स आए थे लिटरली, एंड विनोद रेड्डी सर से पढ़ने के बाद मेरे 57 मार्क्स आए. एंड यू कैन लुक द डिफरेंस, एंड आई एम बेटिंग ऑन इट कि इज वेरी गुड इन टीचिंग. लाइक उनका टीचिंग स्टाइल, उनके बुक्स, उनके नोट्स आर द बेस्ट. गो फॉर हिम विदाउट एनी confusion. Look for his like EOB batches are on the YouTube, exam oriented batches. You can then purchase the regular course. I actually just purchased the books because it was not my first attempt, it was my second or third attempt, and then I referred to the YouTube videos. I made the notes in my books. I only purchased the books, not the lectures. But if you are the fresher, you should purchase the regular batch. And after that, audit, then again I guess Deepika ma'am is good in audit, but I referred Rishabh Jan sir classes. I purchased his books, and then I looked for his EOB batches on YouTube. Good to go. For FMSM, I prefer Sunil Keswani sir for FM. Also for SM, I made the notes. But for SM marathon at the last days of my exam, I preferred Om Trivedi sir marathon. He taught very good how to write the exams, कैसे आपको लिखना है, and I scored very well marks in FMSM. Like in my first attempt, I failed in, and not fail, I guess. Yeah, around 32 marks I got. But in the next attempt, I scored exemption with 68 marks, highest of all the three subjects in the group 2. I scored 68 marks, and that's because I watched marathon of Om Trivedi sir and Sunil Keswani sir notes. I revised them multiple times, and that was enough. Like SM is too scoring, guys. If you practice, if you do written practice, score very well. So this was all for this video, and at last I would like to say, choose your teacher wisely, spend your money wisely. This time will never come back. Once your time goes down, you will never be able to come back to this time. So no regrets. Choose, take time. Like if one teacher is best for me, that doesn't mean it will be best for you. It all depends on your catching power, your like way of learning, like how you like the teaching style. आपको कैसा टीचिंग स्टाइल पसंद है, डिटेल ओरिएंटेड, एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड. जब आप वीडियोस देखोगे ना उन टीचर्स की, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड, आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट्स थ्रू दैट टीचर और नॉट. एवरी टीचर इज गुड, बट इट प्रेफर्स फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट टू स्टूडेंट, उनको किसका ज़्यादा अच्छा और कंफर्टेबल लग रहा है. ठीक है, तो आप ऐसे नहीं कि अगर मैंने ये टीचर बोल दिया जस्ट गो एंड परचेज. नो, फर्स्ट वॉच देयर वीडियोस थरली एंड देन डिसाइड which teacher to choose, because जो money आप spend करोगे it will not come back, only regrets will come at the end. So you no regrets, take your time wisely, and intermediate is not a easy task, But I wish you all the best. Always there, you can comment down. I will always reply back whenever I get the time, because I posted many videos and I always try to find out time to reply all the comments which are therein. So thank you so much for watching the video till the end. For any other doubt or confusion, you can comment down anytime and I'll reply back whenever I get the time. Thank you so much for watching the video and see you in the next video.